One of the most notable iOS 18 features is the vehicle motion cues. When activated, it makes your iPhone display dots around the edges of the screen, which helps prevent motion sickness. Yeah, you got that right. You can take advantage of this brand new feature to fight on motion sickness using your iOS or iPadOS device. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to talk about the 6 different ways to enable motion sickness on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. That said, let's get started. First off, let's learn how to enable vehicle motion cues from the Settings app on your iPhone. Settings app provides a pretty straightforward way to enable and customize the vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. After that, choose Motion. Then select Show Vehicle Motion Cues. Now you can choose to keep the vehicle motion cues always enabled or activated only when you are in a vehicle. Next up, it's time to learn how to enable vehicle motion cues using the Accessibility shortcut on your iPhone. Accessibility shortcut also provides a pretty hassle-free way to activate and use the vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. To set it up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Accessibility shortcut. And then you have to select Vehicle Motion Cues. With this handy shortcut now ready, you can quickly activate the vehicle motion cues by just triple clicking the side button aka the power button of your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that if you have selected more than one feature, triple clicking the side button will first bring up the Accessibility shortcut menu, and after that you will need to choose the vehicle motion cues for activation. Next up, let's learn how to enable vehicle motion cues from your iPhone Control Center. For easier access and launching experience, you can add the vehicle motion cues icon to your iPhone Control Center. To do so, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the Control Center. Then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on Add a Control button at the bottom. And under the Vision Accessibility section, choose the Vehicle Motion Cues icon and you are good to go. From now onward, you can enable the vehicle motion cues right from the Control Center on your iPhone. And now it's time to learn how to activate vehicle motion cues using Siri with a voice command. Siri is always there to help you instantly activate the vehicle motion cues on your iOS device. Just trigger Siri on your iPhone and say Enable Vehicle Motion Cues and it will get the job done for you. Next up, let's learn how to activate vehicle motion cues on your iPhone using Siri with a written command. If you prefer to use the type-to-Siri feature on your iPhone, chances are you'd be super glad to know that you can activate vehicle motion cues with a written command. To set it up, just open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Siri. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to type-to-Siri. Going forward, you can just invoke Siri on your iPhone and type Enable Vehicle Motion Cues to enable this feature. And now it's time to learn how to enable vehicle motion cues using the vocal shortcut on your iPhone. Vocal shortcut is a super handy feature that allows you to quickly trigger your favorite features or, for that matter, actions. Notably, you can also activate the vehicle motion cues using a vocal shortcut. To get going, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. After that, choose Vocal Shortcuts. Then you have to tap on Add Action or Set a Vocal Shortcuts. And then you have to head over to the Accessibility section and choose Vehicle Motion Cues. And after that, you have to enter a custom phrase like motion and then verify it by speaking the phrase 3 times. From now onward, you can trigger the Vehicle Motion Cues feature on your iPhone using this very custom phrase. And finally, it's time to learn how to enable vehicle motion cues on your iPhone by using the back tap feature. Back tap also provides a pretty neat way to activate the vehicle motion cues on your iOS device by just double tapping on the back of the device. To get going, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. And under the Physical and Motor section, select the Touch option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Back tap. Then select Double Tap, and under the Accessibility section, choose vehicle motion cues, and you're all set. Going forward, you can quickly activate the vehicle motion cues feature on your iPhone by just double tapping on the back of the device. Super handy, isn't it? And that's all there is to it. So these are the 6 different ways through which we'll be able to activate vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked all the neat methods, make the most of them as and when the need arrives, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.